and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Senior Congress leaders not in support of Rahul Gandhi's youth candidates' proposal for Lok Sabha polls, veterans for candidates from all age groups. Union government to raise quota of subsidized cooking gas to 12, important concession ahead of national election, decision after Rahul's demand. Porvorim police booked Tourism Minister Parulekar in alleged land grab case of Serula Comunidad. Court finds prima facie grounds for FIR. Panji court orders FIR against Congress and BJP for receiving foreign funding, issues contempt notices to senior police officers. Grand opening ceremony of Lusophobia Games to usher in Goa's biggest sports event on Saturday. Lugok gives red carpet welcome to ACALOP member nations. And Sports Authority of Goa provides financial support to talented young windsurfer Dane Coelho. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo also chips in. And now the news in detail. Seems like senior Congress leaders are not endorsing Rahul Gandhi's proposal to fill popular youth candidates for Lok Sabha polls. Rahul Gandhi at AICC meet in Delhi mentioned that this proposal will be enforced only in 15 Lok Sabha constituencies out of 543. Senior Congress leader Ramakant Kalab says it's better to select candidates from various age groups. Congress has sent 6 names from North and South Goa to Delhi as probable candidates.
3 काम और बहुत बड़े काम हमने किए हैं। यूथ कांग्रेस और NSUI में चुनाव करवाए। पहले मैनिफेस्टो बंद कमरों में बनता था। 3-4 लोग मैनिफेस्टो को बनाते थे। अब हम कार्यकर्ता से, आम जनता से, NGO से, सबसे पूछकर अपना मैनिफेस्टो बना रहे हैं। और तीसरा कदम 15 कंस्टिट्यूएंसीज में लोकसभा के चुनाव में पूरे देश में हम आपसे पूछकर, कार्यकर्ताओं से पूछकर, प्रधानों से पूछकर, वर्कर से पूछकर, ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट से पूछकर डायरेक्टली कैंडिडेट चुनेंगे। आपसे पूछेंगे और जो निर्णय आपने किया इन 15 कंस्टिट्यूएंसी में वो ही होगा, उसको कोई नहीं बदल सकता है।
Goa Congress State Unit has sent 6 names of probable candidates from Goa. Only 2 will be selected. North Goa, Jitendra Deshprabhu, Ramakant Kalab, Girish Todankar. South Goa, Francis Sardina, Luisin Filero and Churchill Alamau. There are possibilities that High Command may also select candidates other than from the Pradesh list. This is how the senior leaders reacted to Rahul Gandhi's proposal.
If my party nominates me for the Lok Sabha, surely I would be interested in contesting the North Goa parliamentary seat. I don't consider myself to be from the older generation, maybe middle-aged. But what is important here is it's not just the younger generation which may be considered, but each of the younger generation must have winnability factor with them.
म्हाका स्वताकय दिसता की हांवें ह्या निवडणुकीत उतरचें.
पण राहुल गांधी म्हणटालो की तो यंग कॅन्डिडेटांक चान्स दितलो असो म्हणटा.
बरोबर आसा. हांव तरी म्हातारो खंय जाला. आय एम 67, 67 वर्सांचें वय आसा. आतां 70, 74, 75 जालें की जातलो म्हणून येता. आनी शेवटी पक्षाकय कशें जाय की सगळेच काय तरुण नाका न्ही. तरुण, मध्यवर्गाचे, मध्यम वयाचे, अनुभवी अशा सगळ्या प्रकारची एक विचारसरणी आणि उमेदवार अशाची निवड जातली.
Rahul's plan will be enforced only in 15 Lok Sabha constituencies. Considering reactions from the state senior and heavyweight congressmen, it's rare that the proposal will be experimented in Goa. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
The union government on Friday announced that it would raise the quota of subsidized cooking gas to 12, making an important concession ahead of the national election. This decision was announced soon after Rahul Gandhi forcefully raised the demand at Congress Working Committee meeting. The government has capped the supply of subsidized LPG cylinders to 9 per year.
एक और बात है जो मैं प्रधानमंत्री से कहना चाहता हूं। मैं जानता हूं कि ये बात आपके दिलों में है और इस देश की महिलाओं के दिलों में है। आप जानते हो किस चीज की बात कर रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी 9 सिलेंडर से बात नहीं बन रही है। प्रधानमंत्री जी 12 सिलेंडर चाहिए हमें 12 सिलेंडर चाहिए। कांग्रेस पार्टी को 12 सिलेंडर चाहिए। हिंदुस्तान की महिलाओं को 12 सिलेंडर चाहिए।
Vice President of Congress Rahul Gandhi was speaking at the Congress Workers' Conclave held in Delhi on Friday. Shortly after he finished his speech, All Minister Veerappa Moily announced that it would be done. The decision would be taken in Union Cabinet meet scheduled next week. The government had kept the supply of subsidized cooking gas cylinders to 6 per household per year in September 2012. This was later raised to 9 cylinders in January last year. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Porvorim police has booked Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in the Comunidad land grab case. The FIR has been registered following a direction issued by MAPSA JMFC Court. Dilip Parulekar is charged for illegally grabbing 599 square meter land belonging to Comunidad of Cerula. Referring to the complaint, court has pointed at prima facie ingredients of a cognizable offence in this case. Porvorim police on Friday registered a case of cheating, hatching, criminal conspiracy and misusing his power against Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar for grabbing a plot of land of Comunidad of Cerula. The MAPSA JMFC court on Thursday had directed Porvorim police to register FIR against Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar within 24 hours of passing the order. The court has passed this order after hearing a petition filed by Advocate Iris Rodriguez. Porvorim police had earlier declined to register FIR in this case, saying that the complaint given by Iris does not disclose commission of any cognizable offence by Dilip Parulekar. But directing the Porvorim police to register FIR, the JMFC court in its order observed that the complaint has prima facie disclosed the ingredients of a cognizable offence. Petitioner Advocate Iris Rodriguez in his petition had alleged that 599 square meters of Comunidad land on the Chogam Road at Porvorim was illegally grabbed by Dilip Parulekar on receipt of a mere 3,41,320 rupees, though the value of the land was otherwise worth more than a crore. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.